We've talked about molding planes quite a bit recently, so let's talk about some helpful hints on how to acquire them. A lot of times you'll find these at woodworking shows where the guys will be selling antique tools and all that. You can find them there. Sometimes you'll find them in antique shops, and I have found some at yard sales on different occasions. So the things you want to look for is it always has to have the wedge in there. You always want to make sure that it has the blade intact and in place. You want to make sure the body's in good shape and clean, not all cracked or busted up. And then here on the end, you'll see that this bead here, which is part of our bead mold in this one, that's actually made of boxwood and inserted in there. So they call it having been boxed, or it's boxing. That wears like iron, so it'll keep that profile intact for a long time. So you want to look for that boxwood insert in there. Sometimes you'll have a name on them. I don't know if this one does. Yeah, this one is called 3/16. This one has got somebody's initials on it. A gentleman by the name of GWF, whoever that was, obviously worked in a commercial shop somewhere and took his own tools in and wanted to make sure he could identify them to get them back. But Sandusky Tools out of Sandusky, Ohio is a common maker, so you look for their name. A couple makers out of New York, but just make sure the body's in good shape. Make sure the cutter's in good shape. In an antique shop, I've seen these priced anywhere from $25 to $35. That's way too much. There you're looking at them as a decorator piece. If you're going to buy them to use, the majority of them that I've ever picked up have been anywhere from $5 to maybe $15 at a crack. I helped a guy out at a tool sale a while back, and I bought like 20 of them for like $25. Just looking to get rid of them and all. That was a real good deal. But those are the things to look for. Make sure it's got the wedge. Make sure it's got the cutter. Make sure the body's in good shape. Take it home, sharpen it, put it to use, and enjoy the fact that hands from the past had made molding with a tool just like this. A good old everyday molding plane.